Yes, good morning, students. Today we are going to conclude this chapter with two topics, collector and mamladar. These are the two administrative officers of a district, and they are very much responsible, or they are the main person for the developmental works that is carried out in a particular district. Now, collector is the administrative head of the district. Besides being collector, he or she works as a magistrate, district magistrate, and district election officer. Candidates are selected through UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, or through promotion. State governments appoints him or her. So the main person that is responsible for the administration of a particular district is called collector or district magistrate, and also he works as a district election officer. And the candidates, they are selected through UPSC, an exam that is conducted by Union Public Service Commission or central government, or through promotion person can be appointed as a collector, and the appointment is done by state government. He or she maintains the administrative system in the district. It is collector's duty to ensure that there is no shortage of essential commodities in the district. So, the main duty of the district collector is to maintain law and order, and also whole administrative process is in the hands of a collector. Also, it is the responsibility to ensure that there is no shortage of basic necessities or basic commodities in a particular district. Now let us understand what is the role of district collector and why is so much important in Panchayati Raj. So the district collector coordinates and manages the works of all departments at the district level. So all the departments at the district level, they are being coordinated and managed by the district collector. Also, the district collector is the secretary of district planning committee, which is responsible for the development of entire district. So for a particular district, the development is done by a collector, and the district planning committee secretary is the collector of the district. So we can say that the planning committee is headed by the collector of a particular district. He determines the number of members of the Gram Panchayat, also allots the reserve seats in Gram Panchayat. It is the role of district collector that he gives the number of members that are to be in the Gram Panchayat. Also allot or gives the reserve seats in the Gram Panchayat. He also determines to reserve the position of Sarpanch for the scheduled caste or for the scheduled tribe or socially and backward classes and women. So it is under the supervision, or we can say that the district collector has the power to reserve the position of Sarpanch for those people who are coming from scheduled caste or can be from scheduled tribe, or whether they are socially and educationally backward class. Also, the seat can be reserved for women. So these are some of the role of district collector, and it becomes very important in the functioning of the Panchayati Raj. Now let us understand Mamladar. So he is the administrative head at Taluka level. As we know, earlier studied about district collector. He is the administrative head at the district level. Similarly, at the taluka level, Mamlatar is the administrative head, or his or her selection is done through the examination or promotion, and the examination is conducted by or taken by the State Public Service Commission in Gujarat Public Service Commission. So GPSC conducts the election for this post, and the candidates are selected and appointed by the state government. And this Mamladar is the revenue head of taluka, which is made of an average of 50 villages or more. So more than 50 villages are included in a particular taluka, and as an executive magistrate, he is directly responsible to the collector for the maintenance of law and order. He has to report to the collector of the district about the maintenance of law and order. Also, he is the head of the revenue that is collected in the taluka. Also, he prepares the voter list for the election of local self-government. These are some of the functions that we are studying. Conducts elections, provides various types of certificates, manages and control midday meals, relief operations at the time of natural disasters. So these are some of the basic functions of Mamlatar, that he prepares the voter list for the election of local self-government. Also, he conducts the elections, provides different types of certificates that we collect from Mamlatar office. Also manages and control midday meals, relief operations. Many assistance is provided by the local self-government through Mamlatar and also from district collector at the time of natural disasters. So in the next video, we will be studying Lok Adalat.